Hi, this is Houston Dragna with PreSonus Audio. I'm here today with the Studio 2.6 and the Studio 6.8, our newest series of USB interfaces. Great for home use and as well as professional grade recordings. I'm going to walk you through some of the features and then show you how they kind of work, and then we're going to use it to record a quick session in Studio One, using both the included Studio One Artist software as well as the Studio Magic plugin suite. Both units feature our XMax preamps and support up to 192 kilohertz analog to digital and digital to analog conversion. This is going to give you a crystal clear recording quality with very low noise and high headroom. So monitoring your signal is very important for creating both a home recording and a professional recording. So on the device you'll see we have some multi-segmented metering on there, as well as some buttons for input monitoring, playback monitoring, and cue source selection for both yourself and for your performer using the headphones. With the purchase of either of these units, you're going to get an awesome bundle of software that's included with all of our interface and mixer purchases. The first one's going to be Studio One Artist. It's going to be paired along with our Studio Magic plugin suite. The way that you access those is actually whenever you get the device, you'll just go ahead and register it through your account at my.presonus.com, and all the materials will be provided to you there. Okay, so for today's purposes, we're going to be using the Studio 2.6. If we look at the front of units here, we see two combo jack inputs. This can be used for either an XLR source, as we have shown here, or you can use a 1/4-inch source for either line level or instrument level inputs. So I have it plugged in using our USB cable to the computer. I have her guitar plugged into the input 1 using XLR, and her vocal plugged into input 2 using XLR. So what we're going to do whenever we set up the recording, to check our input levels, we're going to be using the metering here on the front of the device, just to make sure that it's loud enough to be heard, but not too loud that we're clipping. All right, let's set up our session in Studio One. So we have Studio One Artist here. We're going to go ahead and create a new song here at the top. So cool thing about whenever you use Studio One with PreSonus interfaces is that we have all these awesome little presets for all of our products. So if we go here to Studio 2.6, click on that, name our session, call it Lauren's Song, set our BPM, and it's going to be in 4/4, so we're good there, and just hit OK. And what this does is it'll automatically set up Studio One with a session already configured for the inputs and outputs that we're going to be using. So we have guitar in channel 1, and vocals, there we go, in channel 2. And so it's already armed the recordings for us. We can go ahead and hit input monitoring, and then we're ready to go. All we need to do is hit record. Okay, so we're going to be recording the guitar first, so I'm going to actually de-arm or unarm the vocal track, make sure everything's good to go, and yeah, I think we're ready. You ready, Lauren?
I sure am, Houston.
All right, let's go for it.
Cool.
All right, sounds like we got a great guitar track. Let's move on to the vocals. We're gonna go ahead and unarm the guitar track for recording and arm the vocal track. So we're back at the beginning now. I think I'm ready to go. Lauren, you ready?
Yes.
Alrighty, here we go.
what he always told me. Lord, I didn't like that. I thought you undersold me. I wanted you to love me. I wanted to prove it, that I could really shake it, and I could really move it. And honey, I'd move the whole damn world for you. Oh honey, I'd move the whole damn world for you.
Awesome, so we're done with our recording portion now. In our next video, we're actually going to cover how to do a simple mix in Studio One using both the included plugins in Studio One and our Studio Magic plugin suite. As always, for more information on the Studio Series interfaces and any PreSonus products, you can go to PreSonus.com. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.